Hi there, and you're welcome to the channel. My name is Diana Olatunde. So we're on the Bitcoin 4-hour time frame, and as you can see, we are actually creating a bearish momentum in the imminent short term. In my previous video, I did say I wasn't liking the price action of Bitcoin, and I was expecting some more movements to the downside. In that previous video, we were somewhere around here, and I said even though we saw this rounding bottom, I wasn't convinced on the price action, and I was expecting more movements to the downside, which is what pretty much happened around this area. We got this double top pattern with confirmed RSI confluence on the 4-hour time frame, and we saw more movement towards the downside. We tend to be also breaking below this neckline zone around this area, although the neckline zone extends to the beginning of this actual support zone. And like I said, we're in a 3-in-1 support zone. We are back in that zone right now, and we either can go up or break below it. But I'll tell you why I'm still not yet confident on the price action of Bitcoin, and that is because on the daily time frame, it is actually not looking good. Okay. I have talked about the daily time frame price action for Bitcoin now for for some days, if not weeks. And I've been saying I'm not happy with what I'm seeing right here. We actually created this head and shoulder pattern. And in the head and shoulder pattern, we have a very perfect double top pattern with a lot of confluences, as a matter of fact, on the daily time frame. And we have been seeing lower lows since then. Okay, if you look at it, we actually closed below this neckline. I said it was possible we would retest the neckline zone and get rejected. And that is exactly what's played out here. Um, Hopefully we are able to pick support and move upwards. But personally, I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin drops way far below this and actually closes below the neckline of this previous inverted head and shoulder pattern. And if we were to take off targets off of this, you would see that we actually created that head and shoulder pattern. And our target for that would be, if we actually close below this monthly support, would actually see Bitcoin going as low, possibly as $45,000. This is just my own personal technical analysis. I'm not saying it's exactly going to play out that way. All right. We might actually get supported at $52,000. Maybe supported by a moving average on the 8-hour time frame or whatsoever. I personally do not see a reason to enter into a long position for Bitcoin right now until I'm convinced that I see a reversal pattern. Okay, because right now, this target from the head, if I'm to draw this back, I want you to look at it very closely. This target from the head to this neckline zone, which is confirmed neckline zone, guys. The target, if we break below that neckline, once again, the target is here, okay, at about 46, 45, $900,000 thereabouts. Okay, so this is a very, very likely scenario. You need to be very careful with your trades. And I'm going to move to the Ethereum time frame right now. I personally entered into a short position here, and I'm about 30% up in profit right now. Okay. That's how this trade is going presently, because like I said, I was expecting this downward move, and already my take profit targets has been set in place. You can take some of these trades with us by joining the DASTCI community. The links are in the description of this video. And if you are not on our YouTube channel, you may want to click to join our YouTube channel so you have access to all these links I'm saying, and then you can actively trade with us. Like I said, this is still not financial advice, it's my own personal opinion. But if you've been following my videos, you would see that my predictions have been really spot on most of the time. So I would appreciate if you leave a like, drop a comment, follow or subscribe. It would encourage me by also boosting the algorithm and allowing more people have access to my information. Okay, might save some people a lot of money. Now, moving forward to the Ethereum time frame, let's see what is happening on the Ethereum time frame. We're on the daily time frame of Ethereum, and you can see this also spot on, guys. Just look at this, spot on right here. We got an immediate rejection, and we've been seeing price move downward. In my previous video, we were at this point where I said I was going to enter into a long position if we closed above it. when I said I was going to enter into a long position if we close above it and enter upon the retest, but I said that the news that came out, fundamental analysis did not make me enter that trade, and I was saying I was going to enter into a short position. I didn't. I rather entered into that of Bitcoin because it looked cleaner for me. And but still, if I entered there, I would have still been in profit regardless. Because if I drop to the 4 hour time frame, I mean, there was a good entry point at the 4 hour time frame for the Ethereum price action. If you look at it, because this very huge red candlestick at the point of resistance, this would have been my entry, and my stop loss would have been somewhere around this area. Okay, and this is actually giving profits right now for those who saw that price movement. I remember I said I was going to enter somewhere at this point on this retest. I refused to enter because of fundamentals, and I'm glad I didn't. Okay, because we are actually going back into this consolidation zone that we have somewhere around there, to this point. And we are still on monthly support. But if we break below this monthly support, it is not looking good for Ethereum as well. All right. And if we were to go to the daily time frame to see what is going to happen if we actually break below that support zone, you would say that our targets, I mean, we've drawn the targets for this Ethereum several times. We actually also retested the neckline here and saw a very nice rejection. Okay, this is supposed to be your entry for a short position. Okay, and we actually took targets off of here, and the target took us exactly to this support zone here, which is at $2,385,000. Okay, so and we took this target twice, and it gave us exactly the same thing. So if you've not watched my previous videos, you may want to do that, okay, because I don't want to waste too much time taking these targets over and over again every time. So that is it for the Bitcoin and Ethereum time frame. We have very good news coming in for Nigerians here. This is it. I checked the news this morning and saw that we actually have a new SEC chairman that is actually crypto friendly, and a lot of persons are actually very happy about this. Okay, I want to just read part of it. Okay, here you see Nigerian President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has appointed Emo Motimi Agama. I'm sorry if I mispronounce the name, please pardon me. But yeah, he has appointed him, the former managing director of the Nigerian Capital Institute, NCMI, as the new chair of the SEC. This appointment aims to regulate the capital market, enhance investor confidence, and promote economic development. In interviews with Cointelegraph, local crypto stakeholders shared their opinions about the new appointment. Okay, Nathaniel Luz, CEO of FlinkUp, an over-the-counter crypto exchange, expressed his excitement about the appointment, saying that the Director General's favorable views on crypto will likely bring positive changes to the crypto sector. I mean, this is a very good time for us to be seeing this. I mean, what other good news do you need, man? In the midst of a bull run, we are getting a crypto-friendly SEC chairman in Nigeria, and I'm very super excited about that. For those of us that have been holding on and believing in the crypto dream, the crypto vision, I know that very soon our time to really, really celebrate would be upon us. So that's it for me today on my fundamentals and technicals on the Bitcoin and Ethereum time frame. Do not forget to enter these trades with us. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, drop a comment. It helps with the algorithm and encourages me to create more videos like this for you. So take care, and I'll see you in the other one. Bye.